up, guys? It's Anna. I am actually now back in Austin. I'm doing the lift thing. I had an amazing time in San Francisco with my girls, Erin and Zoe, and so I have some clips from that. I've divided it up into 2 days, so just because there was a lot of footage of mostly us fucking around, let's be honest. Here is day 1. And then stay tuned for day 2. Erin and I, oh, there we are here at the Dandelion Small Batch Chocolate Factory. And I'm gonna need you to look at this, because this is amazing. We have, first let's get the fancy little designer copy. We've got this s'more shit, I don't know. I just don't know. And this is a Nutella stuffed chocolate chip cookie. We've got Erin Instagramming the entire ordeal. And I don't know what the fuck that is. So we're about to numb on these. We'll see you on the other side.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Everyone needs to come here right now. Got a little thriller going on.
Hi, Mom. Boom. This is, hi, Erin's mom. We're at the Ferry building.
I just want to let you know that I miss you.
Her mom left when she was 3 years old.
That's a lie.
This is really tragic right now. Erin got so sad over her mom that she took off her makeup and now she's over there crying. It's really embarrassing. Erin found true love. They're eyeing each other from across the room. She approaches him. She approaches him. Alright, well. Alright, Erin, you ready to go? Yeah, let's go. Let's get out of here. We gotta go find you some true love, huh? Oh my god, look y'all, I found true love. True love's kiss will break the spell. Oh, she's a human! Yay! Erin, I got my friend back. What? What the fuck is this? Is this, what? Sand? Sand that meets the water? What? Erin, I'm scared and I'm lost.
You're not lost, baby. You're in San Francisco.
Wow. Is there a narration over it or a voiceover? No? And that's what happens when you give Erin the camera. You start getting footage of shirtless guys running. So that was day 1. If you want to see day 2, click somewhere around here and it will take you to day 2. Until then, my friends,